Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot sticker wonton soup. Alright, I'm starting out on my Instant Pot. I'm going to add in 12 cups of chicken broth. And I'm just going to get them down in there. Now guys, I'm making a double batch. If you would make this for less people, you would cut this in half. Alright, now I have some chicken pot stickers. These are frozen ones. I'm going to add in about 32 ounces. This here is a 46.5 ounce pack. So I'm just going to eyeball this. We don't need the seasoning pack that came in with them. Alright, that's looking good. Now I have an 8-ounce container of sliced mushrooms. We're going to add them in. And I'm going to add in a tablespoon of salt. And this is to taste your seasonings. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of white pepper and a teaspoon of onion powder. Let me grab a spoon, guys. Give that a stir. I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 1 minute. While 1 minute is up, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, now that we're done with that quick release of pressure, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. And you want to be careful with this, guys, because this stuff is pretty strong. And I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now remember, guys, I am doubling this recipe, so this can handle the sodium load. I'm going to give that a stir. And that sesame seed oil really brings out the Asian smell to it. Now I'm going to add in about a half a cup of shredded carrot, maybe 3/4 of a cup. And I'm going to add in about a half a cup of green onion that I sliced thin. Scrape my white pepper off the side of the pressure cooker, guys. That's one bad thing about spices in a pressure cooker. Now I'm going to give that a stir. And I'm going to put my lid back on here. I'm just going to let this sit for about 3 minutes for those vegetables to soften up. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Now I tasted it for salt. It's fine. It's not salty. It's just right. Taste some of this broth. It's really good. You get a slight smoky flavor from the sesame seed oil, but it's not overpowering. Cut into one of my pot stickers. It's really good. The dough is tender, almost like a pot pie. You get the spiciness of that chicken filling in there that they season it with. And if you're not familiar with a pot sticker, what a pot sticker is, it's a little pastry that's folded in half with meat inside, usually pork or chicken. That's really good, guys. Let me try a mushroom here. And I'll have to, when I serve Eric's, I'm going to have to serve it without the mushroom because he won't eat it. Mushrooms are tender, but they're not mushy. That's really good. Right, there you have it. Instant Pot sticker wonton soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.